Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome in to another. Well, it's not gonna be a review this time around. It's gonna be unboxing again and first impression of this particular product. At the moment, I'm wearing my Casio Legendary watch with a khaki overlay. So good, so nice. I was trying to look for more like these, but I just couldn't. Yeah, it's really nice. So I'm keeping this one very occasionally on my wrist. But yeah, let's crack on. It's gonna be a quick one. I know it's been a while and I haven't posted on this channel for a while. Let me get my multi-tool out. Get this crack open. Alright. Yeah, like I said, it's been a while. Just been dealing with a lot of things at the moment. Still going, unfortunately. I haven't had time to enjoy watches. But yeah, I'll try to kind of slow down and do more content. That's a big box, you know. So it's from the same company as last time. I stopped the subscription, although I might go back on it, see if I can get better deals, see if they changed any watches or anything like that. It's a very dull blade, man. What the hell? I'm looking forward to this watch. Well, I have suspicions what it might be. I might be probably wrong. Just a good deal and I grabbed it. Hopefully I didn't get scammed or anything like that. What the hell? There we go. Alright. Have a look. That is a big box for a watch. That is probably the biggest we've got. Or we had. Or I had. That's huge. That's heavy as well. Alright. Let's get this in the center. Alright, I have no idea what this is. Because it was like a mystery watch. Just used Google to help me out kind of from the description to kind of guide me what it might be. Okay. Alright. Don't know what that is. It looks proper, man. It looks proper. That's a wooden box, you know? That's insane. It's heavy though. Oops. So this is out the box. Nothing to it, to be fair. Let's have a look at this. So this is not what I expected. I don't know this brand at all. Let's have a look at the watch. Alright. Wow. Look at that. That's insane. Look how thin that is. That is... Yo. I've never seen this brand before. It's interesting. It's very interesting. I love how the dial is kind of like guiding the light across the entire dial from the center into outwards. That's so cool. It's a leather strap. It's supposed to be Swiss automatic. Wow, look at this. That looks so flashy. Look how thin that is. That is insane. Limited edition as well. I need to research about this brand, but that looks absolutely impressive. So I thought it's a Tudor. That's what Google said. I got a very good deal. Well, I thought I did. I'm not sure about this watch. I never seen this before, but they said the market value is about 7,000 US dollars, which is huge amount of money. I got a very good deal on this. But to be fair, it looks really nice. It looks really nice. Let me put it on. Hold on. Oh, it's on the bigger side, because my wrist is about 6.5, I believe, inches, and I think this is 34mm case. Handmade leather strap. What? That's crazy. I don't know if I should keep it though. Looks really good. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Oh well. Certification. Dang. Yeah, like I said, I need to research about this watch. That's for sure. Oh, you got all the details. It's not in English. That's crazy. A certification signed. And that's it. Wow, that's crazy. 2017. That is mad. Yeah, so that'll be it. I'm not sure if I should keep it though. It is a very impressive watch. Depends how much it goes for. If it's like very expensive on the market, I'll probably keep it. I'm not gonna lie, because that is impressive, and I think I got a very good deal. That looks really nice, and I bet not many people have seen this brand before. It's so thin. It's insane. Magma of respect. I don't know what that means. It says if it focuses, there you go. Yeah. All right, that'll be it. I hopefully keep you updating, and yeah, hopefully I can find time to review some more watches. But yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you on the next one.